So I did something a little crazy. I built an entire website in just 10 minutes using artificial intelligence. No coding, no design background, no fancy plugins. Just me, a laptop, and 2 tools. Durable AI Website Builder and Hostinger Website Builder. Was it perfect? Nope. Was it fast? Wildly. Was it scary how good it was? Oh, absolutely. And I filmed the entire thing, so let's walk through it. I'll show you the good, the glitchy, and the parts where I went, whoa, did AI just do that? You ever have one of those, what if I just tried it moments? That was me scrolling through Twitter late at night, seeing creators post. Built a portfolio site in 3 minutes using AI. And I'm sitting there thinking, really? In less time than it takes me to find a clean coffee mug? So I challenged myself. What if I tried it cold? No prep, no paid template, just me, my screen, and AI. Would it deliver something I'd actually use? Or would it be a hot, glitchy mess? First up, let's talk tools. I picked Durable AI because it's everywhere right now. The promise? Build a website in 30 seconds. Bold move, Durable. On the other side, I went with Hostinger Website Builder, a slightly more grounded platform that still packs an AI punch. Hostinger gives you templates, AI-generated content, and tools to tweak things. Less instant website, more guided creativity. It's like comparing a microwave burrito to a make-your-own taco kit. Both get you fed. One's just faster, but maybe messier. I pulled up my browser, started a screen recording, and opened both platforms in 2 tabs. The clock was ticking. 10 minutes. That's all. Goal: a functional, real-looking website. Something I could send to a client without immediately apologizing. Let's start with Durable. Right off the bat, Durable asks, what type of business are you building? I typed, freelance tech consultant. Hit enter. Suddenly, boom, site built. I'm not kidding. In maybe 45 seconds, it spat out a homepage about section services list, a call to action, preloaded contact form background image with a moody, techie city skyline vibe. I was impressed, but also skeptical. Because here's the thing, it looked fine. Like it functioned, but emotionally? It felt like a tech bro in a blazer wrote it while sipping a $9 matcha. The copy was super generic. We empower innovation to accelerate your digital future. You know the type. But hey, the bones were there. And editing was surprisingly easy. I could click on text blocks and rewrite stuff directly. Even the layout could be shuffled around with a few drags. Honestly, for someone who needs a website yesterday, Durable's kind of magic. Quick pit stop, what actually matters in a site. 5:21, 6 o'clock. You know what's funny? People always obsess about colors, fonts, animations. But if you've ever launched anything online, you know, does it load fast? Is the copy clear? Can people contact you? Those are the deal breakers. And Durable nailed the basics, just lacked the soul. That's where I hoped Hostinger would come in. Hostinger starts with a template selection. Not a ton of surprise me vibes. More like, hey, choose a vibe and we'll help you refine it. After choosing a clean, minimal template, their AI assistant helped write the copy. And this is where Hostinger kind of flexes. I fed it a bit more context. I consult for startups, I offer onboarding automation and CRM optimization. I work with European tech firms, mostly boom. It whipped up personalized text that actually sounded like me. Not perfect, but much more grounded. The editing interface felt like a simplified version of Wix. Easy to add sections, move blocks, and play with layout. Slower than Durable, yes, but it felt more customizable. Hostinger also handled mobile responsiveness like a champ. I barely had to tweak anything. 10 minutes later, I had a sleek but generic site from Durable, a polished and personalized one from Hostinger. Almost done, but close enough. If I needed to launch a product today, I'd use Durable. If I had an hour to breathe and wanted something more branded, Hostinger wins. But here's the wild part. Both of these sites looked way better than stuff I built manually in 2015. Like embarrassingly better. Okay, let's step back. There's a part of me that's excited and a little nervous, because if AI can do this in 10 minutes, where does that leave traditional web design? And I say this as someone who respects the craft. A well-designed website is an experience. It has pacing, it tells a story, it breathes. These tools aren't there yet, but they're close. Like one update away from making entire creative teams sweat a little. And honestly, I don't think that's a bad thing. It just means the human touch, the emotion, the nuance, the why, matters more than ever. So, would I recommend building your next site with AI? Yes, but with a few caveats. Use Durable if you need speed. Like emergency MVP, investor pitch, wedding site, whatever. It's the website equivalent of fast food. Convenient and shockingly functional. Use Hostinger if you want a bit more flavor. It lets you bring your personality to the party. But if you're launching a brand you really care about, still bring in a designer. Let AI handle the grunt work, sure, but have a human sculpt the final message. Because here's the thing, AI builds fast, but humans still tell stories better. If you enjoyed this little experiment, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell me, would you trust an AI to build your website? Or are we getting a little too comfortable letting the machines take over? I'll be in the comments.